this routine, you need three cards, okay? Three main cards, one red, I use ace, and two black, I use the jacks, okay? But you can use any three cards. And you need an extra card, okay? You just take, okay, random card, just and put it beside these three cards. But first, for the explanation purposes, okay, I will use an extra card with a different bag, okay? So remember, you just need one red and two black, and just take random card. So first, you just place this random card, okay, on top of these two blacks, okay, just on top, okay, and you execute double leaf and show it like this, okay. So remember, this is random card, put it on top of the blacks, okay, and you can spread and showing has two, okay. So in the beginning, you can put in this position, okay, come, okay, showing the red and two blacks, okay. Remember, on top of this is the random card, okay. So here, after that, you just place the ace, okay, the red card, on the bottom, okay, and square everything and just turn over like this, okay, and you're ready for the move. So you come and just leave the three card, okay, leave only the bottom card. Remember, from this position, just leave three cards and only leave the bottom card, in this case the random card. And from this position, you just grab three and you just turn over only the bottom card. Okay, so here you just turn over like this, okay, so here, here, and of course, okay, you just do any cover and just turn over like this, okay. Remember, here you just leave three, okay, and you just rotate or turn over the last card, in this case the random card. So here you grab three and just turn over and you hold like this, okay. This is three, but you can show as one red, okay. One more time. So here, grab three, turn over the last card, and you can display for a moment like this. After that, you just turn over again and you are ready. First, you just take double leaf, okay. This is double, okay, and this is two black, okay. Just take double leaf and you spread, and first you just replace this random card on top like this, okay. And after that, okay, remember right now this is the ace and one random, and this is two black that you show as one, okay. So here, after you get in this position, you are ready. All you do when you shake, you just square this together and discard, you just spread. One more time, you just do double leaf and spread another card like this, okay. So you expect to think this is the one red and this is two black, okay. After that, remember, you just do the move and it look like they're changed place, one here and two right here. After that, you can show this really two blacks and you can rotate like this and show this is one, okay. That's it. So right now, okay, we are really use the random card with a same color, okay. So remember, this is the random card, we just place it on top of these two blacks, okay. Put it right here and you put right here, okay. In the beginning, you can set up, remember, by do double leaf and show these two jack like this and the S like this, okay. So you come this position, show one red and two blacks, okay. And remember, we just put the red on the bottom, okay, and just turn over everything, leave three, okay. Remember, only rotate the last card like this, okay. So here, just turn over and show like this, okay. You show this three card as one, okay. So like this, drop and you are ready. Remember, first take double leaf, okay. Remember, spread and just replace the random card on top like this, and you are ready. So inspector think this is one card and this is two card. After that you just execute the move and show right now the one card move right here and two right here, and show that is really two black and this is really one aces. Or if you want it, after you show like this, okay, you just place the aces like this and showing like this. So to do the cleanup, okay, after this you just square everything, okay, and you execute double leaf and just take out one card, in this case the ace, okay, so you can cleanly show